Hello folks, ano ba ngayon? It's a wonderful Tuesday. Natuloy din kami sa wakas with Ma'am Tess. Dapat last week pa to pero nag-postpone kami until Tuesday. So malayo na po narating namin. Umalis kami sa bahay ng 6 AM. So naka-isang presentation na kami kanina, and this is our second presentation. So, ano po ginagawa natin? We're so excited by doing this kasi kumbaga nagpo-poste po kami, sa strategic areas, right? Kumbaga nagbi-build ng pillars, nagbi-build ng leaders that will handle yung ganitong klaseng area. Quite remote, pero pag dinadala natin yung products dun sa leaders, mag-spread po yan. So, ito po yung sinasabi natin na ang sarap mag-build. Ang sarap mag-build ng business mo. Overall, pag nakaposte na at nakabuild na tayo ng mga leaders sa bawat municipality, and then we will increase our membership for each leader. And then doon na po tayo susugod, mag-create na po tayo ng activities, ng events, ng CSRs or what you call this, corporate social responsibility activities that will be sponsored by management of NanoCell. I-request natin yan. So magkakaroon tayo ng events as long as, pagka nakabuild na tayo ng significant number of memberships per municipality. So this is just a start, friends. Umpisa pa lang to. This is our we started working like officially, nagpursige kami, nag-start kami build like June. It's only July 14. 1 month and lang kami, 14 days, and seems like ang dami nang nangyayari sa head namin, ang dami ng training. Okay, lumalabas na yung mga product, nagmo-move na yung mga product, may mga leaders na on our left and right side. So we're building them. Okay, ang commitment namin is i-build namin sila. Alright, we will not stop. And then yung mga leaders nila sa baba nila, yung leaders of the leaders, i-build din natin sila. Okay, so ito po ang challenge, nare-realize ko, palayo ang aking driving. Dati 1 hour, 2 hours, ngayon it's about 4 hours of continuous driving. So dito pumapasok yung physical challenge. Earlier sabi ko, we should be ready physically, mentally, and spiritually. Spiritually, nandiyan dyan araw-araw nagdadasal kami, with our leaders to give us the strength, the resilience, the courage, the knowledge, and everything, para magampanan namin tong trabaho to. Mentally, kailangan ang mindset namin, is positive all the time. Okay, regardless of obstacles, challenges, ang mindset namin, this is part of the deal. So araw-araw, we keep our mental strength or mental muscle strong, while we keep our physical muscle strong also. Ito po, health is really important pagdating sa driving. Kailangan may stamina ka para mag-drive. Okay? Kasi you have to be alert, mentally alert, kasi safety ang iniisip mo sa mga pasahero mo. But anyway, it's still a long day ahead of us. Several people pa ang kakausapin namin today. So I'm just sharing with you kung ano nangyayari at the moment, kung nasaan kami. Okay? We're just like you, our leaders na nagtatrabaho din. Pero this time, we're with one of our leaders na pinangakuan namin na tutulungan namin siya, i-develop namin siya, i-build namin yung team niya. Okay? And palalakihin natin yung kanyang grupo, yung kanyang network. Ito po ang masarap sa network marketing. Okay? You do not work alone. You build your team. You build your network. Para sa ganon, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you already have that passive income, and you can do the things that you love, you know, kahit na sabihin mo na yung income ng downlines mo mas mataas sa'yo, it's okay as long as nasusustain mo yung activity, yung lifestyle na gusto mo gawin sa buhay mo, and that gives you contentment and happiness. So visualize yourself doing this, okay? Tanim lang ng tanim, build lang ng build, travel lang ng travel, present lang ng present, okay? And then magkakaroon po ng resulta with our good products, science-backed, science-based nutraceuticals formulated by Dr. Tiru, manufactured by Nanosci, which is our own manufacturing firm. How can you go wrong? Okay, continuous ang research and development, a good compensation plan, okay, cash ang incentive mo. Saan ka pa? Alright? Saan ka pa? Okay? Nakasandal ka na sa isang Nanosci that has been existing since 2007. Saan ka pa? I will have to say this again and again and again para ako silang plaka. Saan ka makakakita ng direct selling group or MLM group dito sa Pilipinas? Okay? Na may sariling nutraceutical manufacturing firm which is FDA, GMP, ISO certified. Saan ka makakita? Wala. But then, namamayagpag pa rin sila. Despite na wala silang sariling manufacturing, kinukuha nila yung product nila from third-party suppliers. Saan ka nakakita na isang marketing arm na merong 7 flagship products? Okay? Yung iba namamayagpag sa isang product, sa isang barley, but they still make it. So ano yung nakikita mo dito? Ang dami mong flagship products, ang dami mong multiple income. So that means chances are, you know, dito ka, you know, you will earn your good income, sustainable, and ano pa pwede ko sabihin? Nandito na lahat. So if you're still not with us, and if you're watching this video, if you're still not a member, mag-decide ka na, contact your sponsor, and be part of the growth. Don't be a spectator. Don't wait for us to grow big and then you will decide to join. No. Pagka kami kumatok sa pinto mo, alright, at prinisentahan ka namin ng Nanocell products and business opportunity, pag nakita mo yung vision, whether experienced networker or not, ang importante kasi dito, makita mo kaagad yung vision, yung potential of it. Okay? That means, pag nakita mo, you join. Gut feel, don't waste your time, you join. If your gut feel says, this company is okay, alright, walang mawawala sa akin, nothing to lose, something big to gain, join. Huwag ka na maging analysis paralysis. You know, analyze ka ng analyze, pero napaparalyze ka to take action. So just do it. We're here to explain the benefits of the product. We're here to explain the potential of the business. If you're like me, okay, na medyo nasa senior na, and you're looking for a retirement income,